So think about it. If this was our level, let's say it was coming down, right? And this is our level of support because it's underneath us, right? Well, if it doesn't break and hold, and all it does is a wick pops through, pops through, pops through, pops through, that's no good to us yet, right?
Right.
That is
Yeah,
why,
no, it's not good.
that is why it has to be a break, and hold is for that exact reason, because it can pop through, pop through, pop through, pop through, bing. If we were saying this is support, and I told you, you got to wait for the break and hold of 446.40. If you guys get in every time it does this move, you got wrecked, because guess where it went? Yes, a break and hold has to be either a giant long wick, meaning like the whole wick, or it has to come through and come through. Does that make sense? Because now we've
Oh
broke
yeah.
the cycle, and it wasn't a wick and a wick and a wick and a wick, and then bye-bye. A candle has to come out after the first candle goes through it. Yep. Or what did I just say? Why would I say a giant candle coming through? Why would I say that? The reason I say a long candle is because look how much farther it has to come back.